How to fix this channel can't be displayed on Telegram. Hi guys, welcome to TechPP. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the this channel can't be displayed error on Telegram. This usually happens when Telegram restricts a channel because of sensitive content, the version of Telegram you are using, regional restrictions, or because the channel itself has been banned. There are plenty of fixes online, but based on what users are actually reporting, these are the 5 methods I would try first. Let's start with the most useful one. The first method is to disable sensitive content filtering. For this, open Telegram web or Telegram desktop. Please note that the sensitive content filtering option is not available on mobile apps. On the web or desktop Telegram app, go to Settings. Open Privacy and Security. Look for the sensitive content section. If you see the option called Disable Filtering, turn it on. Now restart Telegram and try opening the channel again. One thing to remember is that the Disable Filtering option may not appear for every Telegram account. If you don't see it, move to the next method. The second method is especially useful if you are using Android. Instead of using the Play Store version of Telegram, download the official Telegram app directly from Telegram's website. Telegram itself says that the Android version downloaded directly from its website has fewer restrictions compared with the store version. Download the official APK, install it on your Android phone, sign into the same Telegram account. Now try opening the restricted channel again. For Android users, this is definitely one of the first methods to try. The third method is using Telegram web or Telegram desktop. Sometimes a channel that cannot be opened inside the mobile app may still be accessible through another official Telegram client. Open Telegram web in your browser or install Telegram desktop on your computer. Sign into the same account. Now search for the channel and try opening it. If you are using an iPhone, I would especially try Telegram web before installing any unofficial Telegram app. The fourth method is using a VPN. However, this method is useful only when the channel is being restricted because of your region. Connect to a trusted VPN and choose a different location. Now restart Telegram and try opening the channel again. If the problem is caused by a geographical restriction, this may work. But if the channel is restricted by Telegram itself, using a VPN probably will not fix it. Finally, check whether the channel itself has been banned. This is important because sometimes the problem is not with your phone, account, or Telegram app. Telegram may have completely disabled the channel. If filtering is disabled, Telegram web does not work, the official Android APK does not work, and the same channel is unavailable on multiple devices, there is a good chance that the channel itself has been restricted or banned. In that situation, there may not be anything you can change on your device to access it through the official Telegram apps. If you own the channel and believe it was restricted by mistake, you can contact Telegram support. So, quick recap. First, disable sensitive content filtering using Telegram web or desktop. If you are on Android, try the official Telegram APK downloaded directly from Telegram's website. Next, try Telegram web or Telegram desktop. Use a VPN only if you think the restriction is regional. And finally, check whether Telegram has actually banned the channel. I would try these methods before installing Telegram X or unofficial third-party Telegram clients because they are not guaranteed to unlock restricted channels. I hope you found this guide helpful. For more helpful Telegram tutorials like this, subscribe to our TechPP channel.